Ever wanted to recreate your favorite website in just seconds? Well, now you can. V0 has just dropped an exciting new feature, the ability to clone any website just by pasting the URL. And that's not all. Along with this game-changing feature, V0 has rolled out several powerful updates to elevate your web building experience. Stick around because we're diving into everything, starting with the incredible URL to clone feature. Let's see it in action. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of the cool tools and tips we've got coming your way. All right, so let's get right into the URL to clone feature that it's offering right now. Here, I'm on the main page of Notion. I'm just going to copy the URL right here, paste it here, and provide the instructions to clone it with some further clarifications. So, it has taken a screenshot, and now it's attempting to clone the website. Let's see what it generates. All right, so it has generated the code, as you can see right here. If we compare previously, V0 only generated a single page and couldn't structure content properly like this. However, with this new upgrade, it's far more capable as it's setting up the whole front-end structure, and we'll be diving into this later on. Okay, so it threw an error. Let's quickly fix it using V0. It seems that this has correctly fixed up and made the version load. Let's view it in full screen. It's got it right for the most part. Where images are needed, it has inserted placeholders, and the overall structure looks pretty identical. Now let's explore some of the other features they've released and see how they can assist you further. So, V0 has introduced an exciting new feature, built-in console logging. Now you can enable logs directly without needing to add them manually, making debugging smoother and more efficient. All right, let's test out this new feature. We'll ask it to make the Get Notion Free button, trigger a pop-up with a download link and some additional instructions, and we'll also ensure it sets up proper logs to confirm if the button was clicked. So it started the generation. Let's see how it goes. Great, it's working. The code is generated and we've tested it. A new pop-up now prompts us to download Notion. If we go and check the console, it correctly logs that the Get Notion Free button was clicked in the Hero section, along with any related errors as well. You can even pass these logs to V0 to address them effortlessly. Moving on, V0's added version control, making it super easy to experiment with your design changes. Don't like how something turned out? No worries. You can quickly revert to a previous version that works better for you. All right, let's test out the version control feature by making a small but noticeable change. We'll change the website's color to something silly such as blue and red. Let's see how it handles that. It's generating the code right now. All right, it's done. In full screen mode, we can see that it has applied blue and red color schemes across the website wherever possible. And actually, this doesn't look that bad. Notion could do with some color. However, let's say we don't like it. In that case, we can simply roll back to the previous version. We've now returned to the earlier version, and if needed, we can click the Revert to this version button to set this as the main version. This way, any future changes will build on this version instead of the newer one. Now, you can see that previously, if you wanted to make any changes, you had to specify them directly in the prompt. But with this new feature, you can simply select a specific part of the UI, and it will make changes to that particular section. This provides more clarity, simplifies the process, and makes your work much easier. All right, let's go ahead and implement this feature in the Notion website clone we were working on. First, let's open it in full screen. Now click the select button right here, then hover over the element you want to change. For example, I'm going to change this button, and I'm going to instruct it to add a confetti effect when the button is pressed and the pop-up appears. Let's see how it handles this. It generated the code. Now let's see if it's implemented correctly. We can see that the confetti effect does appear, but it's appearing behind the pop-up. Let's go ahead and fix that. All right, let's specify that we want the effect to appear on top of the pop-up instead of behind it. It's finished now, so hopefully the error has been corrected. Let's check, and nope, it hasn't fixed it yet. I think it might help if I use the chat here to properly explain that the confetti should appear on top of the download prompt. Okay, I may not have prompted it correctly the first time, but let's see if it fixes now. And yes, it's fixed. This feature does add better clarification, but in this demo, it might have been my mistake in how I prompted it. Nonetheless, it wasn't executed perfectly. So as you've seen, with V0, you can now generate complete templates and customize them however you like. Now what you can do is start creating your own templates, really cool and nice looking ones, and then head over to any of these websites to start selling your designs. There are many other designs available as well, but as you can see, you can easily replicate these templates or even make your own. Take full advantage of these new features to boost your workflow and creativity. And that's it for today's video on V0's incredible new updates. Let us know in the comments which V0 feature you're most excited to try out. Well, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.